My name is Shoma. Today we are going to be doing a makeup for traditional Igbo makeup. We are going to draw things on our face with the eye with a black ulu. In this case, we don't have an ulu, so we are going to use an eye pencil. And we are going to use uzu too to do this makeup. So we are going to paint the lips first. So this is painting of the lips. You painted your lips. Now we are going to draw spirals on our face. So that's all for the eye pencils that I used to do the Igbo makeup on my face. Now I'm going to get uzu. I've put water into the uzu to make room, or a toothpick, whichever one is good for you. I think I cannot see this thing. Whichever one is good for you, you can use it. Once it is wet, the uzu, this uzu, one part is closed while the other part is open. So that's why you can use it for your makeup. You carry your hand off. Eyes or both of them. So this is the finished look. This uzu, you can buy it in the market. Over here in Bayelsa, I bought this one for 15 naira. It has one hole here. The hole on this side is closed, while this other hole is open. So I just used broom to do the makeup on my face. Then remember, you do your eyebrows, but I've done my eyebrow before going out, so I didn't need to do it again. But normally you use it to do your eyebrow. You line your eyes, and this is it. So thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kemesia Odibazia.